Happy Mother's Day, everyone! Hi, everyone! So, for today's video, we'll be unboxing my husband's Mother's Day gift. Ako na lang yung box. Hi, kids! These are the reasons I'm celebrating today's Mother's Day. My firstborn and my bunso. I love you, babies! Thank you for the gift. Thank you, Lovey. Papa's gift is a wireless lavalier. What's lavalier, love? Microphone. Yay! Siguro naaawa na siya sa akin kasi I always vlog na mahina. May plastic ko kanina. May plastic wrap. Tinanggal ko na. And it's color pink! His favorite color. Tanggalin natin yung mga plastic. Okay. This is what's inside. The microphone. And the one that you'll put on your phone. Yay! I'll try this on. I'll try this. Ilaw siya. So, what's inside the box? Try natin muna. Try. Hello? Pag nagbago yung volume, ibig sabihin, it work! Hi, everyone! And then, inside the box, there's still this box. At meron pa siyang lanyard. Oh, diba? Gumagalaw kami. There's a lanyard. The charger. I think this is for the charging pod. Dapat hawak ko. Hindi ako sanay. Yay! Nalaglag. There's two feathery thingy. The one you put on the microphone. Para maging soft and cute. I think it's also for the noise, sabi ni Papa. O, nalagay natin. And there's two magnets. Thingy clip. Uy! Dumikit! And then, you just clip it here. Wow naman! And then I'll talk. Oh, and then I'll cover this. This is the second one. So, pwede na tayo mag-interview portion, Hermie. Kasi we have two microphones. You can answer me na. And then, look. Ito na, oh. Ito na siya. Cute na itsura niya pag nakasuot yung feathers. And then, didikit. Wow! Didikit!
Dapat yung feathers color white.
White. Sige, try natin. So, yung isa, ganito siya pag nakasuot yung feathers. So, it's so cute. Nagbago kaya yung voice? Lumakas kaya? Yun lang yung laman ng box. And there's a pouch where you can put it kapag you're gonna bring it inside your bag. Hindi mo naman siya ginagamit. And there's a manual inside. Yay! Yeah, you can have the box. But I'll have the feathery thingy. Thank you, Papa! Nako, what's gonna be our gift to Papa on Father's Day? Secret, Papa. It's yours? Okay na daw to. This is the pouch, the feather. And this is the one ng walang feathers. And ito yung may feathers. Oh, cute! Bye, everyone! Happy Mother's Day, everyone!